Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to invest using Revolut. Revolut is a popular financial app that allows users to manage their finances, send money, and invest in a variety of assets. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of investing with Revolut step by step. First, you need to download and install the Revolut app on your mobile device. Once you have installed the app, create an account and verify your identity. This is a straightforward process that requires you to provide some basic personal and financial information. After setting up your account, you need to fund it. You can do this by linking your bank account or credit card to Revolut. This will allow you to transfer money to your Revolut account, which you can then use to invest. Now it's time to explore the investment options available on Revolut. The app offers a range of assets, including stocks, bonds, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. You can browse through the available options and choose the ones that align with your investment goals and risk tolerance. To start investing, navigate to the investing section of the app and select the asset you want to invest in. Enter the amount you want to invest and confirm the transaction. Revolut will then execute the trade and update your portfolio in real time. One of the key benefits of investing with Revolut is the low fees. The app charges a small commission on each trade, but it does not charge any management fees. This makes it an attractive option for investors who want to keep their costs low. Another important concept to understand is risk management. Investing always carries some level of risk, and it's essential to manage this risk to avoid significant losses. Revolut provides a range of tools and features to help you manage risk, including stop-loss orders and diversification. In terms of best practices, it's essential to have a clear investment strategy and to stick to it. This means setting clear goals, assessing your risk tolerance, and diversifying your portfolio. It's also important to keep your investments under regular review and to rebalance your portfolio as needed. Finally, it's worth noting that investing with Revolut is a long-term game. It's essential to be patient and to avoid making impulsive decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. By taking a disciplined and informed approach to investing, you can use Revolut to build a diversified portfolio and achieve your long-term financial goals. In conclusion, investing with Revolut is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. By following the guidelines outlined in this tutorial, you can start investing with confidence and take control of your financial future. Remember to always do your research, manage your risk, and stay disciplined in your investment approach.